Life leaves traces on us all. But sometimes we encounter events or circumstances that affect us so deeply that we develop trauma. Trauma can be the result of violence, war, assault, loss, bullying, neglect, or other emotionally damaging experiences. There are many factors that determine how we are affected. While we can overcome some difficult experiences, others can result in trauma that affects us for the rest of our lives. Trauma can affect us in a myriad of ways and can be temporary or permanent, as well as moderate or severe. It can affect all aspects of our lives and can sometimes have serious consequences. Trauma is a widespread experience that can affect anyone, men or women, old or young, rich or poor. Those working within psychiatry are not immune to trauma either, so we need to retire the us versus them mentality. It is essential to be conscious of trauma in order to avoid re-traumatization or the creation of new trauma. Trauma-informed care is an approach within the human service field wherein potential trauma is recognized and considered in a treatment plan that actively works to prevent triggering trauma symptoms and re-traumatization. The approach is built on 6 guiding principles that aim to treat the negative effects of trauma. The 6 guiding principles are safety, trustworthiness and transparency, peer support, collaboration, empowerment, cultural, historical, and gender-based context. The trauma-informed approach within psychiatry changes the way we meet with service users, from asking, "What is wrong with you?" to being mindful about the past and asking, "What has happened to you?" This shift in focus allows us to work together in order to discover a path towards recovery based on the understanding of trauma and the creation of safe environments and trustworthy relationships.